Hola muchachos, and welcome to another semester. This tutorial is going to highlight how you should be navigating between the calendar, Blackboard, and iLrn in order to successfully complete your coursework for this class. So whether you are in an online class or in a face-to-face class, the first step is to go to your calendars. So the online class, which you have over here, that calendar is going to be a little less detailed because the majority of your instructions is going to be directly on Blackboard. If you have a face-to-face class with me, you're going to rely on your calendar a little bit more heavily. So for example, for you in a traditional classroom, that's going to tell you not only the modules, but what section of the textbook you should be reading and preparing in any before class assignments. So for distance education, you're going to have kind of the same thing, but yours do not have to be due before class, obviously, since we don't meet face-to-face. So for y'all, mostly everything is due on Sundays, unless specifically referenced otherwise on Blackboard. So once you go to the calendar to see what you should be doing, either as preparation before class or before you do your homework, then you can go to Blackboard to access those assignments. So this is what the online courses Blackboard will look like. Yours is split into chapters. You will open that chapter. You will see all the modules and the exam that we'll do for that chapter. You'll open that up. And that will give you kind of your step-by-step of what you should be doing for each module. And we'll typically do 2 each week. So for a face-to-face class, you have a little bit of a different setup. So all of your information is split into folders. So if the calendar tells you to do a grammar worksheet, you go to the grammar worksheet folder. If the calendar tells you to do a Quizlet, you go to the Quizlet folder, cultural assignment, chapter exam, etc. So the setup is a little bit different. Now once you go to iLrn though, that is the same. So the way I have everything set up is on a Tuesday, Thursday organization, whether or not you are in a traditional classroom or face-to-face, or traditional classroom or online setting, and that is just to organize the material. So you'll see the 2 modules each week. There will be a title, and then the assignments will be listed up below. Now this week, the first week of classes, we do not have any iLrn work because you guys are still setting up your account. So do keep in mind though, the assignments that are placed under those dates, if you do them after, so for example, if an assignment were to be placed on the 8th and you complete it between the 9th and the 13th, iLrn will tell you that that assignment is late, but as you've read in the syllabus, assignments are due on Sunday. So as long as you complete that before Sunday, you will receive credit. So I hope this helps you kind of navigate between the calendar, Blackboard, and iLrn so you can successfully complete your assignments this semester. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to email me. Adios guys, have a good semester.